All right, great day, everyone. While I was waiting for things to open up, I already did a little bit of work of cleaning up the spreadsheet. So let's get the limits tweeted out over here. We'll review, fear and greed, all that good stuff. All right, I can still go here. Great day, Rufro. Good morning, Glenn. Hi, Johnny. Welcome, welcome. Oops, I grabbed my black background. That's not what I wanted. All right, Forex, factory, fear and greed, we're at 15. Oops, sorry, 14. Might be a bit of a pause into the morning. For same thing over here. Well, crypto is 15. All right. Everything seems a little slow today. So we had the minutes yesterday. We had NVIDIA's earnings. We are up so far. I am a little worried about that. I will show you why. Well, maybe let's see. Somebody had posted all of the crazy price raises. Oh. All right, here we go. I see you. Keep up the shares. All right, so I also wanted to show you guys, I am doing a giveaway for Tradingview. If you guys don't already know, check out It's Airplane Jane right here. I will post the link. This you need to share out and oops, I don't know why I didn't mean to refresh the chat. I don't know if I just messed something up there. An event. There we go. There is the link if you want to. My computer is running a little slow today. However, all the NVIDIA price targets. Let's see if there's I saw it earlier and there's like this massive, see, look, Jefferies raises it, JP Morgan, Bernstein, Deutsche Bank, Citigroup, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. To me, when you are advertising so hard for people to buy something, it's because you're usually selling something. No matter who it is, advertising means they're selling, right? So let's get rid of this one right here. That was an extraneous one. You know it, Shovel. You know it. Great day, everyone. All right, let's put this on over here. This is my Christmas earnings zone right here. Boom. Where's the big money? No, I want to make this red and green. Come on. Red. We're doing red. And we're doing developing POC as green. Let's go Christmas. All right. So 196.25. NVIDIA, the big leader for today. I will have to run. I do have a meeting at 9:30, so I've got to run right at 9 o'clock today. All right, let's check out Tessie. I feel like this is a little bit slow for me this morning, this music. How about you all? A reminder that if you do go for that contest, please like the post, retweet the post, share out my live stream posts as well, and also comment your Tradingview handle. You can win an ultimate or a premium subscription. So let's do this one. Let's try this. This is way too slow, this jazz this morning. All right, so we've got that going on. BMNR. Bitcoin miner. $267 million in the float. Okay, so I went back to October 1st right here, the orange, 53.36. All right, let's look at silver today. Silver has been on the move. I'm going to put it on the downward. However, I am feeling bullish on silver overall. This does have 538 million. Feeling bullish on silver and gold going into the end of the year. We have a double top, but you know, until we were to break these supports, let's also look at GLD today. GLD is up. So these are two GLD does not always trade the same as gold. Let's see what GDX is doing today. GDX, I think I like GDX better. Let's go to short volumes. Hey, great day, Willie. Yes, Willie is a good reminder. So is Terry. If you all like the live stream, please hit that like, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with friends, and let's see each other every morning at 8:15. I will be on Monday, 9 o'clock on Trade the Pool again. So you guys can start jumping over there. I will be sending out a link as well for, let me go here, GDX stock float. If anybody would like to try Trade the Pool, that you can try it. I'll give you a link for that. All right, it is a prop firm. 299 million. I know. Me as well. Me as well. All right, let's go back to GDX over here. Where is our October level? Is this our October level? No, that's July. Let's see October here. October, same level, 72.77. We are above it. Looks like bullish on miners. Rogers, I'm the only one that has hit the smash button. Everybody hit it now. Awesome, Roger. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I guess Willie forgot. AMD, Roger. Just for you. Symbiotic trade in relation to. We'll check out Open as well. I know that Open and Tesla are ones that Willie checks out. Also, Roger loves AMD. Oh, okay. You got to refresh the page, he says. Maybe, I don't know if he's driving. Always be careful when you're driving. If you're on Twitter and you want to check it out, put it in the chat below. You turn it horizontal, chat if you'd like to chat. All right, let's check out what else we have going on. MSTR is advancing, likely coin as well. A lot of the market is advancing. What I said it feels like they're setting up for a bigger move to the upside. Just checking to see what we have going on. VXX pulling back. STM. STM over here. Whoop. Seagate. No, STM Electronics. I'll put them in R. In R. Not sure what you mean by that, Roger, but it's all good. All good. All right. Bitty is dropping. And W is dropping. Many times we can see that. Let's also check out TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors. I feel like, oh no, Taiwan is advancing. Okay. Connie, what is Connie? Granite of coin short. Okay, there you go. ALB. Whew. ALB, Albemarle Corporation. Let's jump on over here too really quickly. Let's see if we come to the FinViz groups. You can come to the homepage here and it will show you, hey, Black Swan sale, 50% off. I'll post up that link if you guys want to join. Advancing and declining, we have 37.5%. I believe that this is at 4 o'clock yesterday. So I do love FinViz as well. So I will post all that out. And a reminder, if you all want to get a subscription for Tradingview and you do not presently have one for free, then you can post it. What am I going to say? You can't post it. You can join for free and enter the competition that I have going on. And let's copy that link for the ability to join in on that contest. All right. We need one more Downward ALB. Ooh, cord. What the heck is cord? CRW target. That means target is rocking to the upside. TGT. Just kidding. So TGT advancing as well. 19 cents. We're going to put target down here. TGT. 453. It's just 19 cents. We do have the earnings level at 86.10. It did report already yesterday morning. Open Door is taking my advice, adding a buy now button. I made a mock page and sent it to Kaz. Just tell Kaz, did you hear back about my unit? Are they buying rental only properties? How about that? All right, so let's get into it. Let's share out what I'm covering. It's 8:34. We're going to rocket through this. We're going to go at somewhat NSX speed to get all of this done today. Let me pin the link over here, pin to my profile pin, and we will talk about gold as to why I think gold is going to be the place to go. All right, let's go here in, NVIDIA, Tesla, BMNR, GDX, silver, AMD, STM, PAN-W, ALB, TGT, open. Any other stocks that you well, I did have to withdraw it and putting it back on. So it is withdrawn at the moment, but it's because it's coming back on. Relisting. You know what, in business, if somebody is not working for you, it's just business. And I had to fire the agent. Like him as a person. The service I felt was not the best, and that's okay. That's just business. However, it's bad when somebody mixes business and personal and takes it personally, because business is not personal, it's business, right? Alrighty, here we go. So let's get into the crypto segment. I have been in the stock market for 25 years. I started off as swing trading, first layoff of my life. You got it, Nadash. Let's bring this over here. Let's put, hold on, let me clear this up. Oh. Let's clear this up over here. Riot. First layoff of my life took me away from the market. Second one brought me back. I started off as a swing trader, had my Series 7, came back as a day trader, did CMT studies, and learned about the major dark pool levels. And now I see, hey, like this, we can see that the October level for crypto right here is orange and yellow. 110, it has dropped a bit. It's not an average. 110, 975, 25. Thank you, Roger. Thank you, Willie. Yeah. Appreciate the compliment. All right. So I look at where the big money is sitting, where that big money, the biggest manipulator is where they're going to take it either higher or lower. They've changed the Ethereum level. 386, 169. Bull is going to pop today. All right, we'll check out Bull as well. Maybe Hood as well. On that, we'll check out the, maybe we could also look at IBKR and Schwab, SCHW, I think. All right, XRP level 241.05, that has not changed. XLM level, I need some water. I need more water. All right, XLM level 0.32. Ooh. It's dropped a little bit. 0.323759. Must be the nice natural filter they do on the on the camera here. No, I mistyped this yesterday. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. 0.323759. Doge level is still 0.19444. Woo-wee! 0.19444. I mistyped that as well. If you guys catch me mistyping something, please do not be shy. Go ahead and say, hey, Jane, I think you made a mistake here. I'm totally open to hearing that. I am perfectly imperfect. Look at this Zcash. It's getting ready to skyrocket. This looks like it's going to hit 1,000. Are you going to be in on it? Right? Are you going to be in on it? Okay, let's go to Bitcoin right here. Let's see what we have going on for the day trade. For the intraday day trade for big money, I look to see where we started at the beginning of the trading day. For crypto, Forex, commodities, I am checking back at the beginning of the trading day. So for Bitcoin, I can see 91,891. Let's put above 92,800 here. We could come lower right here, 91,500. All right, there we go. So potential short below 91,500, potential long above 92,800. Let's go to Ethereum. I think maybe, you know, learning how to manage stress can also appear on your face and make you look older or younger. Periods of time where I feel more stressed, I feel I look older. Managing that and having a joyful spirit and attitude can create joy in your face. All right, so Ethereum levels, potential short below 3,000, potential long above 30.50. The intraday point of control right now is at 30.19 and 98 cents. Let's go to, are the shorts done with Oracle? Let's check it out. All right, let's go to XRP over here. Just adjust these. Big money is at 213. All right, XRP long above over here, 213.5, or short below 211. They're making it easy today. Thank you. 211, 213.50. All right, let's go to XLM. You can see they sold off right here. Cool, thank you. Big money is at 0.252512. All right. There we go. Let's go XLM, short below 0.248. Oh, 4, not 1. 248, and potential long above 0.253. Big money's at 0.252512. All right, Doge over here. All right, there we go. Doge short below 0.15588. Big long above 0.159, or a big money is at 0.15780 right now on the intraday. Let's check out Solana. All right, right on over here, 44 for up above for Solana. Potential short below 141 will give you 50 cents, but that's okay. We can do that. 141, 144. Big money is at 143.09. So Zcash ready to squeeze into the end of the year. It looks like third test of this level. Third test is always more powerful. Could be a bigger move to the upside here. Let's put it up at 715 for a potential breakout. Or a short below 663. All right. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Bring it down just a hair. All right. 663, 715. Big money is at 691.76 for today. That is it for the crypto segment. Let me share that out. Reminder, if you are joining me now, that I do have a TradingView, 2 TradingView subscriptions to give away. So if you'd like to do that, jump on over to my Twitter page. You can see the link as well in the chat. If you scroll up on the chat, you can see that. All right. All right, let's go. Let's bring it on over. Let's check out NVIDIA. Whoo-wee. I bet you we're going to see 1,000 for Zcash by the end of the week. It's going to rip, rip, rip. They're saying that NVIDIA, they want to raise that price target. Okay, let's look at short volumes for NVIDIA. This is 44%. I know GDX was 50%. I went ahead and checked that. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla's 45. Let's go to BMNR. Short interest is 30. People were buying. And AMD short interest. Let's check it out, Roger. 49%. Okay. Quick. Let's see NVIDIA today. Let's go to 5-minute chart here. Sorry, I got a tickle in my throat. Dry air. All right, let's go. Potential short below 195. It has had a pop, or above 197.50. Yeah, I'm going to cover open. Don't worry. I got it on my list in my mind. 195, 197.50. All right, you were too slow. Tesla. I'm rocking through these because I'm trying to leave at 9 o'clock. Okay, I still have to print something out for my appointment at 9:30. And I got to do a video recording, so I got a lot to do. All right, 411. $411 and $414. All right, let's go to BMNR. All right, BMNR above 3080 here, or below 3010, our pivot. You like fast mode? GDX. It's not a lot of talking, a lot of content. All right, GDX, 50% short volume with gold moving up. Let's bring this over here. 76.90. Let's go 77.12. We have a nice space all the way up to 77.85. Should it get up there? Or big money is at 76.39. Let's go below 75.60. Those are my resistance levels. If it goes above or below, that's the potential trade. Here you go, Roger. AMD. Big money is at 237.97, so we are below it still. Maybe they were popping to sell into it. Maybe. Let's put it down here. 231. Or above 234.50. Roger is a fan of trading NVIDIA. Not NVIDIA, AMD. That is his jam. If you have a stock that's your jam, let me know. I'll make a peanut butter and jam sandwich. All right, SLV. SLV is down 14 cents. We are still up above. This feels like it's coiling, getting ready for bigger jump ahead. 46.62. 46.12. All right, big money is over here at 43.62, so below. Let's go to STM. Maybe that's a sign. STM is going to drop it. You always sell too early. You got to trust it, Roger. If you're trading with options, trade with multiples, right? Then you have that ability to sell one, take profit, and be able to hold the other one a little bit longer. 2180 and 2210 here. Big money is at 25, oops, undo that. 25.79 above us. All right, let's go to Pan W. $196.50, $196.60. Yeah, never buy just one. That's right. 193 and 196.60. Big money level for Pan W. I didn't put it on. Look at that. 189.34. We are feeling bullish on this earnings, in my opinion. Even though it's down, big money is actually below. ALB. ALB had a crazy run up. Mitch, if you're watching, check out ALB. Oh, and the other, this looks like one, let's see. Profile. It's gonna post. Hey guys, check out ALB today for the fade. Let's see, where's our big money? 114.55. Maybe not. Okay, I'm not gonna tweet that. But it does look like a nice potential short today, but it is hitting that. It would need to go below 114.55 in my opinion. Let's put up above 124.350 here. 123.50. 120.50 and 123.50. There we go. All right, let's check out Target. Don't worry, I still am going to go over Riot Bull, all those. We still have time. It's 8:51. Rapid fire. Target had earnings yesterday, so it is still in the active. Hey, Target trading zone. 85.60 here for potential short. I'll do 87, but we got 87.09 up there. Could be rough. 85.60 and 87. Positioning for short. All right, let's go to Riot. Let's go to Riot. Willie Hayes. Back in 2020, I bought 3 Tesla calls for 1K each. They dropped to 800, so I got 3 more. Then they ran to 5,300 each. Overnight win of 21,000. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, as they say in Western PA. Everyone, envision my new address as 2628. That is the address we're waiting to hear back from. All right, 1374. So 1374, we do have bigger consolidation over here. Let me put on the, oh yeah, 1387. So there is a big amount of consolidation right here around the 200 SMA. This could really run to the upside if it can break out. Webull earnings are when? Overnight? Tonight. So this is a pre-earnings trade. From the last earnings is up here at 11.56. So right now, just in general, above 9, below 8 for the swing trade, I would personally wait until after earnings above 880 or below 847 there. All right, let's look at Schwab. I feel like we need to check out Schwab. Schwab, everything is right here. It's going sideways, kind of boring. Let's check out Oracle. Oracle from earnings. Their most recent earnings is way up here. Whoo-wee. It does look like maybe, just maybe, let's put this on from here where it broke down from that big money point of control. Yeah, it looks like they bought down at 217.07. So as long as it stays above 217, I would use a $16 or $15 $15 to 45. Can you make it? Yeah. It would be 60 points back up to the other level. So it looks like you could use that as risk. If you wanted to tighten it a little bit more, you could use $7 to 225 there for Oracle. All right, let's check out Open for Willie and then the indexes, and we will call it a day. So they came back. This is a classic test, right? Downward trend, spike higher, test a former high, pull back to the trend line. If this can hold as support, then there's a good chance that this will skyrocket up again. Also, if we did this and this, we look at the Fibonacci, it hit the 61% retracement. Next target would be 1054 right there. All right, so keep that in mind for Open. 1054 is going to be that next target that I'm looking at, or below 688. Let's get into the Dow. Did they adjust the big money levels at all? No, it is still there at 466. 466.13. Let's bring it on over here. 466.50 for the breakout for me to the upside. Potential short below 465. 466.50. We are in positioning mode. All right, let's go to the Russell. Russell, did they change their location around? No, they did not. All right, let's put up above 236.60. It looks like it wants to get there pretty fast. Or below over here, 234.50. All right, let's go to the Qs. Did they adjust their big money level? 606.64. No, but we are above it. $613 is going to be my, hey, we need to go above this, or a bull, or below 608.50. Depends on what they do with NVIDIA. They might be positioning for a sell-off. Hold on, let me see what is going on. My phone is... I'm going to have to pause, and I'm going to have to run. So I'm going to end it right now. Let me do the SPY quick, 674 and 669.50. All right.